Welcome to Autocar World, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. From in-depth reviews and comparisons to the latest updates in the car industry, we've got you covered. If you're passionate about cars, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're taking a closer look at a compact SUV that has become a global sensation, the Toyota Jimny Sierra. Rugged, charming, and capable, the 2025 Jimny Sierra is here to redefine what adventure on four wheels means. The Toyota Jimny Sierra has long been celebrated for its unique blend of classic design and serious off-road capability. The 2025 model takes this winning formula and adds a touch of modernity without compromising on its roots. Its design, performance, and versatility make it a standout in the world of compact SUVs. Let's start with the design, which is a perfect marriage of retro aesthetics and modern functionality. The boxy shape remains a defining feature, paying homage to the Jimny's rich history. Up front, the bold grille and iconic circular LED headlights immediately grab your attention. These lights not only enhance visibility during night drives but also add a touch of nostalgia. The flared wheel arches, high ground clearance, and rugged bumpers give the Jimny Sierra an unmistakable off-road presence. The 2025 model also comes with exciting customization options. From bold paint colors to contrasting roof designs, you can tailor the Jimny Sierra to reflect your personality. Whether you're driving through urban streets or exploring untamed trails, the Jimny Sierra ensures you stand out from the crowd. Despite its compact size, the Jimny Sierra is built to handle serious off-roading. Its short overhangs, upright stance, and lightweight ladder frame chassis are designed for maximum durability and capability. These features, combined with impressive approach and departure angles, make it a natural performer on challenging terrains. Now, let's pop the hood. The 2025 Jimny Sierra is powered by a reliable 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine. While it generates a modest 100 horsepower and 130 Nm of torque, its lightweight construction ensures that this power is more than sufficient. You can choose between a 5-speed manual transmission for greater control or a 4-speed automatic for effortless driving. The real magic lies in its part-time 4WD system with a low-range transfer case, which transforms this compact SUV into a trail-conquering beast. Fuel efficiency is another area where the Jimny Sierra excels. Whether you're heading into the wilderness or just running errands around town, this SUV strikes the perfect balance between performance and economy. This versatility is one of the reasons it's so loved by drivers worldwide. Inside the cabin, the Jimny Sierra continues to impress. Step in, and you're greeted by a functional and durable interior designed with adventure in mind. The water-resistant seats are a thoughtful touch, ensuring you don't have to worry about muddy clothes or wet gear. The dashboard features a clean, user-friendly layout with physical knobs and buttons that are easy to operate, even when wearing gloves. At the heart of the cabin lies a modern touchscreen infotainment system. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it keeps you connected no matter where your journey takes you. Whether you're navigating to remote locations or streaming your favorite playlists, the Jimny Sierra has you covered. Storage is another highlight. The rear seats can be folded flat to create a surprisingly spacious cargo area, perfect for camping gear, luggage, or anything else you need for your adventures. Additional storage compartments and tied-down hooks make it even easier to keep your essentials organized. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Toyota Jimny Sierra. It comes equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense Suite, which includes advanced features like lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. Combined with its sturdy build, These safety features provide peace of mind whether you're driving on the highway or venturing off-road. Let's talk about the driving experience, which is nothing short of exceptional. In the city, the Jimny's compact size makes it easy to navigate through traffic and park in tight spaces. But where it truly shines is off-road. Thanks to its ladder frame chassis, solid axles, and low-range gearing, the Jimny Sierra can tackle rocky trails, steep inclines, and muddy paths effortlessly. The short wheelbase enhances its maneuverability, allowing it to conquer challenging terrains with ease. Customization options for the Jimny Sierra are virtually endless. Toyota offers a wide range of accessories to enhance both its style and functionality. From roof racks and off-road tires to skid plates and snorkels, you can transform your Jimny Sierra into the ultimate adventure vehicle. These options make it a perfect fit for outdoor enthusiasts, city drivers, and everyone in between. When it comes to affordability, the Jimny Sierra delivers unmatched value for money. It provides the ruggedness of a serious off-roader at a fraction of the price of larger SUVs. This makes it an attractive option for young adventurers, families, and anyone looking for a reliable, versatile vehicle without overspending. Owning a Jimny Sierra isn't just about driving it's about embracing a lifestyle. It's a vehicle that invites you to explore the unknown, to push boundaries, and to create memories. Whether you're heading out for a weekend camping trip, tackling a challenging trail, or simply cruising through the city, the Jimny Sierra is a companion you can count on. The 2025 Toyota Jimny Sierra is more than just a car, it's an experience. Its rugged design, impressive off-road capability, and modern features make it a true standout in the automotive world. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or someone looking for a stylish and practical SUV, the Jimny Sierra has something special to offer. So, what are your thoughts on the Toyota Jimny Sierra? Would you take this compact beast on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Auto Car World for more exciting automotive content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.